Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. The first college is Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology. It's a autonomous college, NAC A grade and NBA accredited for civil, computer science, AC and electrical and electronics branch. It is in Guntur. They have walk-in interview for various teaching position at various level in the Department of Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Computer Science IT, Computer Science Engineering Artificial Intelligence, then Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cyber Security, Electronics Communication, Electrical Electronics, Mathematics, Physics, English. The qualification and experience required is as per AICTE and UGC norms. PG or PhDs from in national institutions shall be given preference. Also require quantitative and verbal aptitude trainer, lab technician, computer operator and office staff. So interested people may attend walk-in interview on 19th of September 2021 along with your original certificate in the college campus between 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Date they have given 19th September. Next college is Government Polytechnic College Angul. It is in Odisha. They have walk-in interview for PTGF in Math, Civil Engineering or Electrical Engineering or Mechanical Engineering, Entrepreneurship Management. If you have qualified MSc first class, BE, BTech or MCom in respective discipline, then you can apply and the walk-in interview date is on 28th of September 2021 from 11 a.m. For in mechanical engineering and computer application, they have PTGLA. What does this mean? Part-time guest faculty in mechanical engineering or computer application, and part-time guest lab assistant. This second one is for lab technician or lab assistant. For that, first class diploma in mechanical engineering or computer science or IT required. The walk-in interview date on 29 September 2021 from 11 a.m. and first one for part-time guest faculty. This engagement is purely need-based, part-time and temporary. The remuneration will be paid per class basis as per the rate approved by Government of Odisha. The interview shall be conducted maintaining all COVID-19 guidelines. No TAD will be paid. That's about this advertisement. Next university is there, Mala Reddy University. They have walk-in interview on 18th of September and 19th from 10 a.m. onwards in the college in the university campus for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for computer science and engineering, digital forensics, MBA, English, mathematics, electronics communication and electrical electronics. For them, knowledge of C and C++, Python is mandatory. Qualification, experience and salary as per ICT norms. For computer programmer, they have required qualification BTech, MCA, MSc or BSc computer. Next college is Vara Prasad Reddy Institute of Technology and Nalanda Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. This is in Satinpalli, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. They have walk-in interview for various engineering position, for teaching position in various engineering disciplines like computer science engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, Internet of Things, cyber security, electronics communication, civil, mechanical, electrical electronics, chemistry, physics, mathematics, English and MBA. For pharmacy, they have requirement for B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy and diploma in pharmacy. Then they also have some non-teaching vacancy or technical staff like administrative officer, TPO, system administrator, accountant with tally knowledge, junior assistant programmer, lab assistant for all engineering branches, boys, girls, hostel wardens, electrician, plumber, carpenter and driver. For teaching position, interested candidate can go for walk-in interview from 20 September to 23rd September 2021 with all original certificate. For non-teaching position, only working day within a week. Further detail can you make contact on these numbers. Next is Sri Vasavi Institute of Engineering and Technology. It's a NAC A grade college with NBA accredited for mechanical, ECE and computer science. They have walk-in interview for various positions like for professor in computer science branch and for associate professor in computer science, ECE, civil and mechanical. They have walk-in interview on 22nd September. For assistant professor for CSC, civil, mechanical, ECE and science and humanities, they have no in this CSC and civil have CSC, civil and mechanical have walk-in on 23rd September. For ECE, they have walk-in and science and humanities 24th September. Lecturer for diploma for civil, mechanical, ECE and CSC 25th September. Then lab technician for civil, mechanical, ECE and CSC 27th September. And office junior superintendent and junior assistant administration walk-in interview on 27th September. So you can go on these dates with all your required documents to attend the walk-in interview. You can also send your resume to this email ID sbiit.edu.in/career.php. You have to fill one form and upload your detail. Next is Pragati Engineering College. This college is also NAC A grade and NBA accredited. This is in Padampuram, EG district. They have not given full details. I think it's in Andhra Pradesh. You can check out by on the its college website. So they have requirement for professor, associate professor in CEC, CSE and IT branch. For that, BE, BTech and ME, MTech and PhD in appropriate discipline. Minimum 10-year teaching experience required. For assistant professor in civil, electrical, electronics, ECE, CSE and IT, mathematics and physics. For that, BTech and MTech with first class or MSc Math with first class in regular mode. They have also requirement for technician for civil, CSE. For that, ITI diploma qualification required. For programmer and network administrator, if you have MCA or MSc computer with relevant experience, you can apply for that. Interested candidate can apply online on this URL http://career.pragati.ac.in before 23rd September. Alternatively, they can apply with copies of all education qualification and experience with latest passport size photograph by sending their application to recruitment@pragati.ac.in. Next is Vignan Foundation for Science, Technology and Research. This is also in Guntur. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for various disciplines like applied engineering, agriculture engineering and automobile, economics and English. For that, PhD and PhD in relevant discipline will be required. If you have completed your PhD or submitted your thesis and awaiting viva, you can also apply. Candidate with a specialization in pharmaceutical and soil and water engineering will be preferred for faculty position in applied engineering. They also have some non-teaching position like front office manager. For that, MBA required or a master of hospitality management. Some experience if you have, then will be preferred. Data entry operator and lab technician. So you can send your resume. In the subject line, you have to mention post applied for lab technician or data entry operator or front office manager or assistant professor. Then you have to send your resume on recruitment@vignan.ac.in on or before 25th September 2021. Next is Vignan Foundation for Science, Technology and Research. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in computer science engineering and information technology. Eligibility requirement: PhD from reputed institution preferable. Candidate who have submitted thesis and awaiting viva may also apply. Experience in teaching in higher in technical institution desirable. So you have to send your resume recruitment@vignan.ac.in by 24th September. That's all about today's vacancy. Please share with your friends who is in the need of job, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.